This right here is the Makita RS002. This is your 40-volt XGT brushless circular saw, and it's available now at its.co.uk. Now have a look at this in front of me, because this is an absolute beast with a 260mm blade diameter, giving you a no-load speed off of that brushless motor of 4,000 RPM. Now, I'm joined by Simon Bowler. Now, Simon, you seem to be a massive fan of this tool.
Absolutely.
Why is that?
Because, for one good reason, it's rear-handled, and that's pretty game-changing. Let's just rewind a little bit. Makita previously launched a 36-volt version of this. Prior to that, these rear-handled cordless saws were kind of a bit of a mythological beast. Nobody really knew if they were going to be coming out. They did, the 36-volt one came out. This is the 40-volt version. It has the bigger 260mm diameter, giving it generally more capacity. But what I really like about this is the fact that you have line of sight to your workpiece, because the blade is on the left of the motor, and that, from a user's perspective, is just fantastic. It completely transforms the way that handheld circular saws are used.
And I think the benefit of this, being such a massive tool, is the fact that it's running off of the 40-volt XGT system. That 40-volt XGT system is made to bring the power of a corded machine, but into the flexibility of a cordless machine. And I think this is perfect for it. This kind of tool is a perfect showcase exactly of what this system is capable of.
Couldn't agree more.
That's lovely stuff. So you can check this out. It's available now at its.co.uk. It is the Makita RS002 brushless 40-volt circular saw.